Hey guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Sapphire Pulse. This is a RX 9060 XT 16GB version. It released a couple days ago and I got it yesterday, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to take a look at it. Came in this box. We're going to take a look at the box and we're going to take a look at the product in detail. This is made in Indonesia. I'm going to show you the serial number. Let me go ahead and open this. So it comes in really thin cardboard, and then inside it's a thicker cardboard, and I guess it's just for saving money, which is fine. But it's crazy how entry-level graphics cards are so expensive now. I remember I got a 1050 Ti for 150 bucks back in 2017. That's when the 1080 Ti was a flagship. So it comes with anti-static bubble wrap, which is I've never really seen, which is pretty cool. Because usually, like, the more expensive cards, they have like this foam. It surrounds the whole card, and then they just have this wrap. But then here's the user guide. All right, and I just took out the card. Again, this is just bubble wrap with anti-static protection. And here's a card. I got the two fan excuse me, 2-fan version. And you can hear my kids in the background. This is a really nice card compared to the 1050 Ti. It was an EVGA 1050 Ti that I have. Because those don't even have a backplate. These have backplates, which is pretty nice. They've been, I guess it's been like the standard for some time now. And hopefully this one doesn't heat up like the power color. I saw a video by Jay's 2 cents. The power color heats up. That's because the heat pipes don't go over the memory chips, but it looks like these do go a little bit further down. Let me see if I can get the light on. They kind of do touch the memory chip because the die is in the middle, right? So the pipes go all the way down to the die and then go to the radiator. So hopefully these don't have memory heat issues, and it's not really an issue. It's just it's not good for the memory chip to get to 90C, just because with longevity after a long time, if they do heat up, it's not good. So we're gonna look at the fans. Seem like they're gonna be very quiet. They do move very good, and no RGB, which is expected at the price point. It's a 8-pin or a 6+2 pin, I guess. But yeah, everything looks good. I really like the backplate. Again, I'm not used to that with my 1050 Ti, and I don't really do too much gaming, but I think this is like the excuse me, this is like the best value you can get right now. There's it's two HDMI's and a display port. Okay, that's interesting, because usually they favor the display port over the HDMI because of fees and stuff. Let me see how many does it say. Display port 2.1, and then I think it's a HDMI 2.1. Not sure, but all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because, as you can see, my kids are having too much fun without me. But here's a look at the thing again, and then I'm gonna be making a video of installing this on my computer, and then also showing how to uninstall the NVIDIA drivers and then install this one to install drivers so that it's all set and ready to go. So look out for that video later. I will have a link in the description below of where you can purchase this card. And you guys have a nice day.